Good morning, student. Today is your computer class. I am your computer teacher.
In this class, we discuss our chapter number 3. We completed chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and now we start chapter number 3. Name of your chapter is Advanced Feature of Excel. Let's start. Today we discuss about chart. What is chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Pictorial form means होता है कि डायग्राम के वे में किसी को भी डायग्राम इमेज के वे में रिप्रेजेंट करना. Chart makes it easier to draw comparison and analyze to growth, relationships and trend among the various in a range. Charts provide more accurate analysis of information. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. Chart is updated automatically with the change in data. आप सभी चार्ट के बारे में जानते हैं बिकॉज you study in the math what is chart and what is axis. So in the computer data is displayed in a special window called the data sheet. Okay, and आपको जो चार्ट में है, जैसे मैथ में आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा चार्ट में, लेकिन यहाँ आप डाटा की वैल्यू चेंज करते हैं तो चार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली रिट्रीव इट एंड अपडेट ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस कंपोनेंट ऑफ चार्ट. चार्ट के कंपोनेंट क्या क्या है? चार्ट एरिया. नंबर 1 है चार्ट एरिया. सी हियर, दिस इज योर चार्ट एरिया. कैटेगरी एक्सिस, this is your horizontal way category axis. Value axis, this is value axis. Okay, now fourth one is data series. Data series is related set of data values. This is data values. Okay, now fifth is axis titles. Marks, it's a axis title. Plot area. The plot area is a window within chart area. It contains the actual chart and include the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Seventh है legend. It depicts the color, pattern and symbol assigned to a data series. In this chart, you can see here every bar is colored with different, and this is legend. Now chart title, you can add chart title, you can name your chart. And last one is grid lines. This can either be horizontal or vertical line depending on the selected chart type. They extend across the plot area of the chart. Grid line make it easier to read and understand the value. जो grid lines के थ्रू आप value को easily understand कर सकते हैं. Now we discuss about types of chart. This is a column chart. In this column chart, categories are represented on horizontal axis and value along with the vertical axis. This column chart. Okay, now our next type of chart is bar chart. It is opposite to column chart. In this type of chart, category are represented on the vertical axis and value are represented on the horizontal axis. This is our bar chart. Next one is line chart. You know about line chart. It is very simple to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its value on x-axis and y-axis. A line chart uses connected dot to display trends in data over a period of time. Now our next chart is a pie chart. This is your pie chart, and you can see here the value are represented in the percentage form, and this is total of percentage is 100%, and it show a data. It always show only one data series and it is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Okay, now your next type chart is dot net chart. Dot net chart, you can see here, it is look like similar to pie chart but it is little bit different here. Okay, this chart show the relationship of a part to whole. It display data in the form of ring where each ring represents a data series added into the chart. Okay, now we move on our next topic, creating a chart. How we create a chart? Simply you create a table. I create a one table. In the column A, I represent here in ears, and B in the bears, and C dolphin, and D whales data. नाउ वी सिलेक्ट द रेंज. हमें सिलेक्ट करना है रेंज को, जितनी हम रेंज चाहते हैं. ओके, नाउ यू गो ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब इन द चार्ट ग्रुप. आपको इंसर्ट टैब पे क्लिक करना है. नाउ यू गो ऑन द चार्ट ग्रुप एंड क्लिक ऑन द कॉलम सिंबल. ओके, you click it here. Now click clustered column. You can, after that you click cluster column. Third, there is a cluster column. When you select your chart form, then this result of this column chart is here and this is a column chart. Okay, and to change the data range of your chart, right click on the chart and click on the select data option from the shortcut menu, and the select data source dialog box appear. Click OK after making the desired changes. Okay, now our next topic is chart elements. You can add axis title, data series, chart title, legends, grid line and any other component of the chart whenever required. And first है adding a chart title, and this is a various chart elements here. This is a various charts element here. You can add it. Adding a chart title, adding axis title, adding data labels, adding data tables, adding legends, adding grid line are add in a similar way. Like you can click on the add chart element in the chart layout group on the design tab. आपको डिज़ाइन टैब में चार्ट लेआउट ग्रुप में जाना है and click add chart elements, and this window will be appear and a list of option appear. Click on the option which you want to insert your chart. Like if you want to adding a chart title, then you click chart title. If you want to adding axis title, then you click axis title. You can add data labels, you can add data tables, you can add legend and adding grid line in the similar way. And after that you click element, click OK, and I think you understand this concept. And if you have any doubt, you can read your book the detailed, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me. Thank you class. Bye bye.